Are you interested in self-publishing but you don't know where to start? Or maybe you've tried it and you just found the whole thing overwhelming? I'm Wayne Kelly, indie author, scriptwriter and podcast producer, and I'm hosting a one-day course that will give you all the tools and confidence you need to get your book out into the world and give you the best platform for success. The course is called How to Successfully Self-Publish Your Book, Indie Publishing for Beginners, and it takes place on Saturday, August 31st at Attenborough Arts Centre in Leicester. I'll show you how to adopt a professional mindset to ensure your book sits perfectly beside the big budget bestsellers out there. We'll dive into setting a budget, we'll explore editing options, and we'll talk typesetting and book formatting. We'll do some practical exercises as well to make you see why you definitely should judge a book by its cover. I'll help you hone your book descriptions, and I'll explain Amazon KDP and ISBNs and all the other technical stuff you really shouldn't be afraid of. All of that, and we'll even touch on the dreaded sales and marketing, talking about how you can start to create an author platform and generate buzz for you and your books. By the end of the day, you'll be feeling more confident and ready to start or continue your indie publishing adventure and get your book out on Kindle and paperback and into the hands of your readers. Places are limited, so check out the link and book your ticket now. I'll see you there.